Jai Hind, this is Vedana Singh and you are most welcome on my YouTube channel. I hope you are fit and fine. And this is the last practice exercise question of the unit Digital Documentation of the book Saraswati Publication for class 9. If you have the book of this IT, you can open the page number 326. There are some questions are there, and this is a very interesting exercise question. See, because I have taken the all the question on based on the mail merge. See, we'll go through this one. This is very important. So first question is, what is mail merge? Explain how it can be created uh, in Word by giving an example. See, the step is, it is used to insert the variable data into a fixed format by combining two files into one file. I hope you got it. Now the next second number point is, it is useful tools that will allow us to easily produce multiple letters, labels, envelope, number, name tag, and more using information stored in the list, database, or spreadsheet. See now the example I have taken. During this process, the main documents will be extract the first addresses from the data files to print the letter first letter. Then it extract the next letter from the data files into the print second letter and so on. The result on this can be directly printed in a saved or separate file on a disk. Okay, wait for a minute. Hello. हाँ बेबे गोटे লাগিছে हाँ कहना और सब ठीक से यहाँ भी ठीक से नहीं हमरा नहीं कर लगे हाँ की करिए बताओ तो की करिए बताओ तो बताओ तो जो बताओ बताओ वही करबे इतना जानेगा नॉट प्रेस में अभी कौन सी में नॉट प्रेस में अभी कौन सी शादी भी है कौन सी अभी कहाँ आरएसएस वाले मीटिंग में कौन चीज लिख रहा है भेज दिया तो व्हाट्सएप पर अच्छा अभी वहां से के खड़ा होला नासिक से के खड़ा होला बीजे बीजेपी से लग रहा है अच्छा चलो तो ठीक चलो जीतबे करते हो वही सीमा सीमा ताई ही है ना हाँ तो जितना फिक्स ही है और जितना फिक्स ही है जी क्या पावरफुल से कोई उन्नीस खड़ा की एनसीपी राज ठाकरे उद्धव ठाकरे वाला नहीं राज ठाकरे वाला गुरु हाँ हाँ ठीक हाँ हाँ तो कुछ भी नहीं होता है गाड़ी घोड़ा की वजह से हाँ हाँ प्रचार हम्म, अच्छा, खाली okay. Sorry. Now the question number second is define the use of man documents. Means what is the definition you have to give the man? What is man documents? In mail merge, man or official letter is known as man documents. Now the first point of this same is this is the word documents file which contains information that remains the same for each letters. Now the second number topics of the same question is this is a text-based file which is shaped like a general doc file. Means the same file is open sorry saved with the extension doc, and this is the same as the documents word documents. Now the next question is third number question. Name any three database which is supported by mail merge. Means what are the database that is basically supported by mail merge? The first is Excel spreadsheet, second is MS Access, third is oracles, and the address books are there. These are the database that is the mail merge supported by this one. Now the next question is explain the mail merge facilities in MS Word. Means these are the facilities of the mail merge. See, the first point is this is a process of combining formal letter with the content of database, usually a name, address, or address list. Second point is this is a special features in MS Word using which we can create multiple individual letters using a data list. It needs two documents. Generally, it requires two documents. Now, the man documents. See, what are these two documents? One is man documents. It contains text and graphics and the data source. It contains the name and address of the friend, clients, and this is a Word documents with table or an Excel file. Okay, now question number 5 is how can you create a data source in MS Word to do mail merge? Means how can you do it? Question icon, you got it. You have to follow the certain steps are there. First is click on File tab, select New, choose a blank documents. After that, mailing tabs you have to select receipt and select a type of a new list. After that, third step is new address list dialog box, type recipient information in each column. After that, edit data sources are there. You can click over there. Now the next fourth point is for each new records, select new, add new. After that, click on OK buttons. Now the next question of the same exercise is these are the important exercise that there are so many questions are there. So first is question is write down the step for mail merge. Means you have to write the steps. First step is select a documents. First of these are the first. This is a very important question. 6 number question is very important question for all the even exam purpose also. Means these are the question you note down. It is very important question. Second step is starting documents. Third step is selecting receipt. Fourth step is write letter. Fifth step is preview the letters. And the sixth step is complete the merge. Means I have written one line for each point, so you can take it in the select documents types. You can as a letter or emails are there. In the second point, use the current documents or others. And the third point, decide what data source to use. And the fourth one is determine how to lay out the level. And the fifth point, prove the level. And the 6 points is print or edit the merge documents. These are the 6 highlighted points are there, and these are I have written one line for each points. Now the next question number 7 is how will you use mail merge field? Means how can you use the mail merge field? See, the answer of the question is select or click the tab where you want to merge the field. After that, choose the down arrow under the insert merge field and select a field. Now the 8 number question is write down the step to change the data source. How can you change the data source? You have to write the steps. The step number first is select the tool data source menu. After that, click new data source. After that, enter the name for the data source. Then click on paste tab. After that, select database as a data sources. After that, press tab. After that, enter the directory for the program to store the data file. After that, click on apply button. These are the simple 8 steps are there. With these 8 steps, you can change the data sources. Now the question number 9. Question number 9 is write down the step to run the merge. Means how can you run the merge? You have to write the steps. So step number first is type the content of letters or email in a new writer documents. After that, click on tool mail merge wizard. After that, click wizard open as displayed in the screens. Means these are the 3 steps you can follow to run the merge. Now question number 10. I think it is the last question of this practice exercise. How comments are beneficial in the Word documents? Means how the comments is generally beneficial for the user in a Word document. See, generally comments are especially useful in the editing and review the process of a Word documents. After that, we can use the comment to add the notes to the documents content. Now the next is these are saved with the documents and travel with the documents if we share it with the others. Means whenever you share the documents to others, means you can share the notes also, and it would be very beneficial to understand for both of the user as well as sender. Now the next with this in this exercise, sorry, this unit digital documentation is over here. So we'll do the next exercise in the next video. With this in Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.